ROG Crosshair X870E Glacial. So this is the elite motherboard that ASUS ROG has. Foam. So this is the eye candy motherboard that everyone been drooling over. This massive screen, which will give you temp readouts, and these pins communicate with the AIO without any wires plugged into your motherboard, so all the connections will go through here and readouts. As you can see, this also is a snap, so you take it out. Also, if you notice here, it has a lever. That's pretty neat. So you can lock it and unlock it on both ways, up, and you can also unlock it down. This here is also magnetic. You can just pull it out. Magnets on the four corners under the lever here, snap it out, pull it out, and here you go. You can install two more M.2s into this motherboard.